Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. So I have to run some errands shortly, so I thought I would take you guys along with me to do a little quick, easy, everyday face. Particularly for the summer, I don't like a whole lot of makeup on my face. I like to keep it pretty light. So I wanted to show you guys how I do that. I have all of my items here right in front of me, so if I don't show it on the screen, I will definitely link that in the description below for you guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is kind of create my own BB cream. What a BB cream is your moisturizer and with a little bit of pigment in it. So this is my Murad moisturizer and it has SPF 30 in it. Yes, us chocolate girls need SPF. I'm going to be using this, so I'm just going to take some of that moisturizer on the back of my hand, just like so. And I'm going to take my Clinique foundation and put a little bit of that on here. You're definitely putting a lot less than you would use if you were just, you know, putting it on your face after applying a moisturizer. So I'm just going to mix these two together. Easy peasy. And put that on my face just like so. And I am going to be using my fingers to blend this out as well instead of using a brush. This is super light, you guys, because it's mostly moisturizer with a little bit of pigment. So instead of, you know, buying BB creams at the store and, you know, getting the wrong shade, you already have the shade that you are at home, so you can just do this. You can just use your moisturizer and then add a little bit of pigment and you have a really light coverage. Like I said, especially for the summer months. Want something really light and airy. Next, I'm going to conceal with my e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. And I'm just going to do a couple dots. Take a damp sponge and blend this out. Next, I'm going to use another e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and this is in the color Rich Ebony. And I'm going to take that to my perimeter, just like so. Blend that out. Next, I'm going to take my DermaBlend loose setting powder, and I'm going to take the puff that's in there and set my under eyes and the places that I use that concealer. Next, I'm going to use my black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette, and I'm going to use the light color that's in the middle to kind of bronze up the areas that I use the darker concealer. Just to bring some warmth back into my face. I'm going to take a smaller brush and go into that same color and use that on my eyelids. Next, I'm going to use some blush, and this is the Juvias Saharan blush palette, and I'm going to be using this beautiful orange shade here. Again, beautiful for the summer. Super pretty. I love that color. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I usually do my brows first. But the other day I did it this way with my foundation and then my brows, and it came out pretty cute. So I thought I would do that today again. And I'm using this Precisely My Brow pencil by Benefit. I love this brow pencil. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in my brows. Now I'm going to take my ColourPop Pretty Fresh concealer, and I'm almost out of this, and clean up my brows. Now I'm going to use my Anastasia clear brow gel and put that on my brows, mainly the front. Next, I'm going to spray my face with my Pore Professional Super Setter by Benefit. I'm just going to take my sponge and push that in. I'm going to use a little bit of eyeliner. This is by NYX. I'm not wearing falsies, so I'm going to be using my Bad Girl Bang, and this is also by Benefit. I love, 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 love this mascara. It is so good, you guys. Last but not least, I'm going to be using a NYX pencil in dark brown, and I'm going to line my lips with that. And I'm going to be using a NYX Butter Gloss in Praline. So that completes my look, you guys. Super easy, pretty quick as well. This took me about 15 minutes, so not too bad. Not bad at all. I'm going to be on time for my appointment, so I better get out of here. But this is the final look, you guys. I think it came out really pretty, really natural looking, not too much going on, but looks like, you know, I'm put together. I thank you guys for coming along with me while doing this quick, easy, everyday makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Again, I will list all of the things that I use on my face in the description below for you guys. If you have any questions, comments, or anything, please list that in the comments below. I will gladly answer those for you guys. So once again, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and be safe, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.